get any rocks. Charlie. Oops.
One piece of hair is pissing me off.
What?
This one piece of hair is pissing me off.
Tie it up. Breakfast sandwich is talking to me.
Yeah.
Ooh. Jumping Jupiter. Yeah. Already a mosquito in here. That on defrost. There we go. Close these vents. When I find out what that rocking noise is, oh man, that's gonna be so friggin' secured. It'll never move, and it's.
Hold on, Charlie. Hold on, Cheech.
Whee! Oh, that,
It's very nice of you.
yeah.
Some burping in the car.
Come watch this dash cam off-road video in a man bench the whole time. I had a breakfast sandwich. It's not agreeing with me right now. Ah, damn mosquitoes. Gonna put these in that. These in that.
I'm trying to get it. Oh my God. Here, put this away.
Just hold on while I rapidly move the Jeep.
Yeah.
Don't spill your drink. Sure. Actually,
Wonderful. You're supposed to say wonderful.
wonderful. I don't need to be in fourth low yet. Here, let me just step. That's a bit more gracious. Not so. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes. Just.
It's been a while.
Just. Wonderful.
Say I went off-roading.
I definitely need anti-rocks.
It's muddy, muddy.
It's dirt. Dirt, dirt.
Dirt. With some zero dirt.
Well, now I switched out that rim. I actually have a spare tire that we could use now.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Oh yeah, hang on to your oh crap bars.
I am.
No, you got two. Oh yeah, you gotta hold the Charles.
Gotta hold the cheat. He's just straight chilling, probably because he's on drugs.
Yeah, our dog has an infection, allergic reaction, so he's on the Benadryl heavy. By heavy, I mean just half a capsule because he's tiny. I'm so drowsy. Ooh, someone grinded. I bet you it was that Bronco. Do you hear that crunch? Ah, my windshield mud.
Oh, it's sweet.
Yeah, put it on too. Will you keep them away or attract a lot more?
Yeah, like literally, like just a big flood of them just came flying in.
Ooh, that's a big rock. Ah. Get out. Oh, it's one skid plate. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. They're already in now. Ahoy! Being attacked by mosquitoes! Oh, I got like 400 in here.
There's a skater on your Peter whacking off.
Yee-hoo!
Watching for news and rocket.
Yeah. I just want to crank out that. Mosquitoes.
Human life form, initiate, piss off sequence, 147.
They're not real creatures, they're nanobots, I tell you.
Hang on.
Charlie's like, ah.
I'd put in 4 low for that one.
Yeah.
Alright, trying to drive through a field. I'm gonna put in neutral now. Mosquitoes really need to fuck
So
up.
if you, they're gonna like that beard oil.
Here, take a picture of you of me. Right here. Hurry. Oh, take a picture of this. Out the window. Holy crap. Quick. Phew.
Oh, I know.
Ah.
He said, are you okay there?
Oh, would you look at this? Fuck. There's a rock there. Look at all them skitters. Charlie! Have you used your winch yet? Well, you're about to now.
Anybody got a tree saver on them? Not you. We got a big one. That's that red one. I got big one.
Go, I'll take some of that.
It's Olivia's.
No, it's Melissa's.
It's somebody's.
It's the one I left in Josh's Jeep.
Okay. I have mine in my center console.
Oh, hold on. It's recording.
What am I recording?
The
action.
Leave him over this one.
Bye.
You know the one that Lassie kissed? I made a mark. You marked it, by the way.
Oh, fuck.
That's
Kevin,
your
is that
mark.
yours? Can I have some?
That's mine. You can have some.
Ladies first. Sorry.
No, if you're using it.
There you go.
But
I'm done.
I get to fucking eat because I just showered. So I smell nice.
Yeah. They're like, ooh.
All the little you see her brother?
I thought we were waiting on the Bronco.
Cars.
I am in the back, waiting on everyone.
Warning would have been nice.
That was your warning. Be ready.
I had way too much coffee this morning. Like, look at my hands. Like, ah! Wait, thank you. You tried to attack me, but really you did it with care. Joke's on you.
I do nice things.
In an aggressive way.
I am an aggressively nice person, okay? I am aggressively supportive.
I kill them with my kindness. He's a good boy.
Steering wheel driver, hard.
Torque the fucker.
Hard driver.
Use the propeller technique.
Oh, hush. Listen to me. Bring your wheels all the way this way. All right? And just leave it. Let it do its thing. I'll tell you when to give it down.
I'm getting behind the tree. Charlie, come here.
Oh, no, he's good, he's good. He's good, he's good.
I don't know. That feed says it.
Go that way.
Are those lockers locked?
Here's a real locker.
No, I mean the bead locks.
Come on, I'm walking it.
Am I gonna get up here? Oh, I've been up here before.
Oh, yeah. My fucking stock, my old stock Willys made it up here.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Yeah, the two-door, right? Shorter wheelbase doesn't have a chance to get up in there.
It's chance to
Did you hear my wrist crack there? What? You have to speak up. Actually, no, it's this ear. That's my firing ear.
I don't know, man.
Yeah. Sound like a fucking cement mixer waking up. Yeah? He's giving advice. He's like, well, easy. You're gonna wreck it. That's gonna wreck the motor. I'll just be here with the cynical dad remarks all weekend. Yeah, that cable. Holy.
Push with that thing.
Get a rock in there.
Right? Right? Stop.
Or make it interesting. Go.
Hey, give her a guy. Give her a let her go. There it is. There it is. There it is. Yeah, buddy.
I believe in you. Yes.
Going home.
Good job, Charlie. You let him know. He's like, yeah, we're doing it, guys.
Okay, John.
Yeah, I'm just pissed off, I guess. Yeah, he doesn't get pissed, he gets pitched. Actually, you want to hold that? I'm going to tuck in my shirt. I feel like when I bend it, it's going to look really weird.
I don't know where to record other than you tucking your fucking pants in. What am I even? You're recording it.
Hey.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
This is like the longest ongoing video ever.
How long
Yeah,
are we
well, I
at?
paused. It's since we left.
Oh, we're at
21 minutes. What the?
All right, part 1 done.
You just like hold my drink.
The poor dog. The dog's in the car.
Come closer, free and turn at the last second. Go ahead. Yeah, straight up there, yeah. Go. Right here. Come up here. You get the really punch higher. Punch it and then turn. Keep going.